Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I thought I would hop on today and share a new Colourpop collection. This collection is called the Apricot Me Not collection from Colourpop, and it is so beautiful. I haven't played with it yet, but I have unboxed it. I have looked at the shades, and they're absolutely stunning. This palette contains the perfect range of apricot-inspired shades from soft white gold to bright corals to deep cinnamon browns in oh-so-buttery mattes and shimmery metallics. There's also new Fresh Kiss lip creams that I'm going to show you today. There are new Super Shock shadows. There are two new Super Shock highlighters. And there's also a new Fourth Ray Beauty Apricot lip mask. And before we dive into this new Colourpop collection, I'm super excited because I am partnering with Dossier on today's video. And beauties, so many of you had asked me to do an updated perfume collection video, which I will be doing soon because I have found some amazing, gorgeous, beautiful new fragrances from Dossier that I can't wait to share with you. But today I just got a new one that I was gonna save this for the perfume collection video that a lot of you have requested, but once I smelled this, I said no way. I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to come and share this with you right now. It smells incredible. So I have opened the store, I have unboxed it, but this is how the Dossier fragrances arrive to you. They come in these beautiful boxes. They would make amazing gifts for either yourself or your loved one for Mother's Day. These are beyond gorgeous fragrances. They smell exactly like those high-end fragrances that cost $200 and up. I have many of them myself. There is literally and truly no difference between this fragrance here and my Tom Fords, and I do have Louis Vuitton perfume. I have a few of them, so I love to add Dossier perfumes to my perfume collection because they smell that incredible. There's really and truly no difference. So the one that I'm going to show you today is this new one that I got. So this is the bottle right here in itself. The packaging is beautiful, feels so luxurious in your hands. They do have a magnetic cap closure, and all of the bottles are the same, of course, only the label is different. But the one that I got today is inspired by Angel, and this perfume smells so incredible. I'm actually going to put more on right now because it smells so good. I could drench myself in this. It smells so incredible. It smells exactly like it. The scent is exactly the same, but you can save so much because Dossier fragrances are so much more affordably priced. So you get the luxury fragrance of your dreams, but for an amazing, amazing affordable price. And another amazing thing about Dossier perfumes is that they are clean beauty ingredients. They use only the highest quality ingredients. They're cruelty-free, vegan. They are all ethically sourced ingredients. They are from France, so they use only the highest quality ingredients for the most gorgeous, luxurious scents, but at a super affordable price. So this one here that I got that is inspired by Angel is called Gourmand Patchouli, and this one has top notes of mandarin, berries, and passion fruit. The middle notes are patchouli, honey, and plum, and the base note is caramel, vanilla, and cocoa. Doesn't that sound incredible? And it smells as incredible as those ingredients sound. So I cannot recommend this one more if you have ever tried or wanted to purchase, or if you like more. If you don't mind the patchouli, I love it. Patchouli is described as the sexiest scent in the world. It is considered an aphrodisiac, so that's why my husband loves patchouli. He doesn't know it, but he loves it. Whenever I put on a patchouli fragrance, he's crazy. For me, it's like, you go outside and it's like madness. When you wear a patchouli fragrance, people keep stopping you, asking you what you're wearing. So this patchouli, though, is not overpowering. It's very subtle. Maybe the sweetness of the other notes kind of, pairs it down, and it just smells incredibly sexy and gorgeous and just incredible. So I could not recommend this scent more, even if you haven't tried patchouli scents or Angel, just if you love a more richer scent. So it's a rich scent, but it's also kind of fruity and has a lightness to it. So this one is gorgeous. If you love YSL Opium, Christian Dior, Poison, this is like in that scent family, so you might really enjoy this. Also, it does smell very much like Louis Vuitton City of Stars. it smells exactly like, the notes are so high quality. Like when you smell a Louis Vuitton perfume, the notes, or a Tom Ford perfume, the notes are the same exact luxurious scent you're getting with this perfume. It's absolutely amazing. I don't know, I'm not sure how they do it. They do have their methods where they cut out the middleman and they don't use like celebrity marketing and things like that. So they save the money for the ingredients and to provide us with an amazing luxury fragrance experience, but at an affordable price. So I'll have everything for Dossier linked below. And I'm so excited to be a part of the Dossier family. I love collaborating with them. So thank you so much, Dossier, for partnering with me on today's video. And so now, beauties, let's go ahead and dive right into this new Colourpop Apricot Me Not collection. So beauties, here is the palette. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you. But how stunning are these shades? They're just absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in and just create a really quick and easy fun look. So I'm just going to start with this shade here. So you know what I love? I've noticed something recently about the Colourpop shadows is that I'm not sure if it's a new formulation, but they're so buttery and they really just apply in the most stunning way. They are very effortless. The way they apply to your skin, the effect that they give, it's just so beautiful. I think it's a new formulation, but all of the shadows just are so buttery and just melt into your eye, and they just look so natural and beautiful. So that's this shade here. I'm just gonna put it all over. It's so beautiful. This is gorgeous spring makeup into summer. These colors just, you know, they look actually gorgeous all year, but in the summer I just love kind of natural, effortless, soft glam look. You know, it's not, you could wear it anywhere and you feel comfortable, and it, you know, it's just not too much. This is so beautiful. You can just keep building it up and it's just makes such a gorgeous, natural, effortless effect. So what do you think? There's more colors to play with, of course, but that's beautiful just on its own. So I'm just going to reach into a little bit of a deeper shade here. This is Got It Bad. So I'm just going to take this same brush and just build up the outer crease. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. How gorgeous is that? Wow. It doesn't look as vibrant in the pan, but on your skin, on your eye, isn't that just absolutely beautiful? Wow, this is so gorgeous for the summer. And I love how the Colourpop shadows are so creamy that they don't accentuate any texture on your eyes. If you have hooding, they're not going to accentuate the hooding because, you know, it's just very buttery and creamy on your eye and on your skin. So wow, how beautiful is that? I'm going to take that same shade and smudge it on my lower, and I'm just using a smudger brush and I'm just going back and forth under my eyes, and I'm building it up because I really love this color. So I'm going to kind of go in a few times and really build up that lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this shimmery shade here, and this is called Jam On It, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. I'm probably going to put that on the lid too, because I could just tell this is one of those colors that I just want to put all over. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my brow bone first. Wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to put it all over, guys. I'm going to put it in the tear duct. Wow, it's literally blinding. It's so gorgeous, so buttery and shimmery and stunning. Yeah, I'm going to have to put it all over, guys. I'm going to do, you can tell already, I'm just going to like keep going and going. It's going to be on my whole lid before you know it. And then I'd love to try some of this shade here, Twisted. And I'm going to put this in the middle of my, kind of my lid, just to transition. Oh, that's gorgeous. You know what? I was like, maybe I don't need it, but these shadows look so much more vibrant and stunning when you actually put them on your eyes. So they don't be deceived by what you see in the pan like myself. I was just thinking, oh, I don't need to put that shade on, but how beautiful is that? Wow. That is beautiful. Tell me how gorgeous that would look in the summer at the beach with, you know, this kind of golden look. Wow. So I'm just dipping back into that first color just to, you know, marry everything together and give it a really seamless look. So beautiful. I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeliner, then I'm going to smudge it out with that deep brown shade in the palette. So I'm just going to take this liner here. This is the Morphe Always Online. These are beautiful liners. So I'm only going to put it a little bit on the outer portion of my eye. And I'll put some on the inner corner. And then when I smudge it, I'm gonna bring it out. So now I can dip into that chocolatey shade now right here with the same small angle brush or any small brush that you have, and I'm going to smudge that liner out now again more with this brown shadow. And I'm just taking the same shade on a smaller fluffy brush and just buffing it out. So I'm loving that. I'm just going to pop on a pair of these Ardell Naked Lashes. So I'm just going to pop this on and some mascara, and then we'll do the Super Shock highlighters. There's 2 new Super Shock highlighters in this collection and some lip creams. So I'll be right back. So that's where we're at so far, beauties. I'm just going to pop on a little bit of blush. So now, beauties, I have these 2 new Super Shock highlighters from Colourpop. They are so gorgeous. They're marbled shimmers. Oh, just absolutely stunning. So one is called Addicted to You and one is called On and On. So I'm going to use the bronze one, the bronze-esque one, as a kind of in my bronzer and my contour, and I'll use the lighter one on the high points of my face. So first I'm going to go in with the bronzer with the deeper shade. And then I'm going to use the lighter shade Addicted to You on the high points of my face. Wow, these are too beautiful. Actually, I just can't stop. It's so gorgeous and it feels so good on my skin. It's so soft. And oh, it just feels so good. So yes, I'm literally drenching myself in this Super Shock highlighter. It's so beautiful. Put it everywhere. Why not? Put it on the brow bone. Wow. And the finger, using your finger is such a great idea because it's kind of breaking the product up, warming it up, and it just melts into your skin that way. And I'm just going to give myself a spritz of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. This is the ultimate makeup setting spray. It smells incredible and it gives you the most gorgeous makeup finish. And of course, this is also vegan and cruelty-free, made of all natural ingredients, so it is clean beauty, and I'll have it linked below. So I'm just going to let it dry, but while it's soaking into my skin, I'm going to put on one of the new Fresh Kiss lip creams from Colourpop. These are absolutely stunning. They're so much fun. They feel so good on your lips, and they are so long-lasting. It's just amazing how long-lasting they are and how good they feel and nourishing they feel on your lips. So I'm going to put this one on here. This one is called Nice and Slow, and I'm just going to use my NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. So beauties, this is the finished look. I had so much fun putting together this look today. This collection is absolutely stunning. I could definitely see this as an everyday makeup look that you could take into the summer nights. Just put on a little bit more of that deeper shade and you can really, you know, intensify the look and make it much more sultry for nighttime. But for daytime looks, this is just so easy, effortless, and just stunning just to wear out the door and feel good about yourself and look glam. So don't forget, you can use my promo code 5Alegra and you'll save on your Colourpop order. So I really appreciate you beauties everyone who's using it. I'm so grateful, and thank you so much for all of your support and for using my promo code, because it helps me out so much with Colourpop, you know, sending me more makeup to try and being able to have more makeup for more giveaways for you beauties. Matter of fact, I am having a giveaway in today's video, so definitely comment down below #GlamFam and you'll be entered to win a makeup mystery box of your own filled with all kinds of makeup goodies. So don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, give this video a like, and also comment down below #GlamFam and you'll be entered into today's giveaway to win a bundle of goodies from, not necessarily from this collection, but from other makeup collections and all kinds of new makeup that has recently come out. That is what is in these beauty boxes for you dolls. So I can't wait to see who wins next. So thank you again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you would pick up from this collection. What do you have your eye on? Let me know down below. And so that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Love you.